Number 27 from the Pert Practice test says, what is the equation of the line passing through -2, -1, and -4, -3? This here is a problem that isn't really high level, but it takes a high level of perseverance. There's a lot of steps to it. So the first thing I want to do is find the slope of the line passing through these 2 points. So when I find slope, I like to stack them. I'll put the -2 and the -1 underneath. And the slope formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So I'm going to set up that template of the big division bar with a minus sign on top and a minus sign on bottom, and then calculate the difference in the y's. So -3 minus -1. -3 minus -1. Instead of putting -1, I'll just put +1. Then I want to do -4 minus -2. -4 minus -2. -4 minus -2. Instead of putting minus, I'll just put a +2. This is going to simplify to -2 on top. And this is going to simplify to -2 on the bottom. So the slope is going to equal 1. Now that I found the slope, I need to choose between one of these coordinates, -2, 1, or the other coordinate, -4, -3. This is confusing to a lot of students. They don't realize it doesn't matter which coordinate you choose. You will still get the same answer. I'm going to choose the smaller numbers, -2, -1. And the slope, you can't choose. You have to find that. And the slope in this case is just 1. So I'm going to designate this now as my x1 value, and this is my y1 value. And when you're using a point and a slope to find the equation of a line, if they ask you what is the equation of the line, usually you're going to use this formula. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Now, it's no accident of where I put that equation. I'm pretty good at lining this up to make it very convenient. So now I'm going to leave some blanks. Y minus something equals something times x minus something else. All I need to do now is fill in the something. So again, I did this for convenience sake. Notice the y1, the -1, the y1 lines up above this blank. So I can just throw that -1 down in this place here. So instead of putting -1, I'm going to put +1, because a negative is positive. Now notice the letter M was here originally, and M stands for 1 for this problem. And way over here, I have to put the -2. But instead of putting -2, I'm just going to put +2. Now what I need to do is solve this and put it in y equals mx plus b format. I'm going to distribute that 1 to give me 1x, or just x, plus 1 times 2 is 2. Bring down the rest of the equation. So this is y plus 1 equals x plus 2. Now all I need to do is subtract 1 from both sides. And my final answer is going to be y equals x plus 1. And from the choices on the Pert Practice test for number 7, notice I have a 1/2, so it can't be that one. A 1/2, it can't be that one either. And then the +1, it has to be choice B.